Ashman Digital Marketers, a name that's fast becoming synonymous with innovation, strategy, and sustainable digital success. We live in an era where digital transformation is no longer a luxury, it's a necessity. Businesses that fail to embrace the shift risk becoming invisible. At Ashman Digital, we exist to make sure that doesn't happen to you. We don't just create content, run ads, or build websites. We craft intelligent ecosystems that elevate your brand, drive measurable growth, and build lasting customer loyalty. Powered by data, automation, and AI. Let me walk you through what we offer. Our suite of services is designed to address the full digital customer journey, from discovery, to engagement, to conversion, and beyond. Whether you're a startup looking to scale or an enterprise ready to optimize, we have solutions designed just for you. We analyze your market, audience, and competitors to create precision-targeted digital strategies that maximize ROI. We use machine learning to forecast customer behavior, churn rates, and purchasing trends, so you can act before the market does. 24/7 intelligent customer support, lead generation, and sales chatbots built to learn, adapt, and communicate naturally with your customers. We create engaging copy, blogs, email sequences, and even social posts using AI tools like GPT, combined with human editorial oversight for tone, voice, and accuracy. Our AI systems place ads dynamically where your customers are most likely to convert, optimizing performance across channels in real time. We deploy AI to analyze customer-generated images and target ads based on visual preferences, a game changer for fashion, design, and retail brands. With the rise of smart assistants, we help you optimize your content and search engine presence for voice-first queries. Smart segmentation, A/B testing, send time optimization, and hyper-personalized content delivery powered by machine learning. We use AI tools to identify high-impact keywords, track trends, and recommend topics your audience actually wants to read.
See the